Good morning students. Hope you are fine. Today we will discuss about triangle and its type. Let's start. What is a triangle? Triangle is a polygon made up of three line segments, or we may say the triangle is a closed figure made up of three lines. The symbol is for the triangle. Triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. If we look at this figure, this is triangle ABC. The sides are AB, AC and BC. Where the two sides meet, that point is called vertex. So here we have three vertices, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. And we have three angles also, angle A, angle B and angle C. Classification of triangle. So triangle is classified on the two bases. Means the first one is on the basis of the length of the side. What is the length of the side of the triangle? Okay, on the basis of that we classify the triangle, and on the basis of angle means what is the measure of the angle of the triangle. On the basis of this thing also we divide or we classify the triangle. On the basis of length of the side, triangle is classified into three categories, that is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Okay, so the three types of the triangle on the basis of the length of the sides are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And on the basis of angle, there is again three types, that is acute triangle, obtuse triangle and right triangle, or we may say acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle and right angled triangle. So the first we will discuss about the classification in terms of sides. The first one is equilateral triangle. A triangle with all the sides equal in length is called an equilateral triangle. See, the name is also equal is given. So this means all the sides are equal. Okay. So equilateral triangle in which all the sides are equal. If we look at this figure in triangle ABC, AB is 5 centimeter, AC is also 5 centimeter and BC is also 5 centimeter. This means length of all the sides are equal. This means this type of triangle is equilateral triangle. The second type is isosceles triangle. A triangle with the two sides equal in length is called isosceles triangle. Okay, if we look at this figure in triangle ABC, AB is 5 centimeter, AC is also 5 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter. Okay, this means out of 3, 2 sides are equal in length. This means it's an isosceles triangle. Okay, why? Because 2 sides are equal. And the last one is scalene triangle. A triangle with all the sides of different length is called scalene triangle. If we look at this figure, the given triangle is DEF, and DE is 7 centimeter, DF is 5 centimeter and EF is 4 centimeter. All the sides are of different length. This means this type of triangle is scalene triangle. Okay, the second type of classification is in terms of angle. So what is the measure of the angle of the triangle? On the basis of that also we classify the triangles. The first one is acute. So tell me, what is acute angle? Yes, the angles whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute triangle. Acute angle. So What is an acute triangle? If all the three angles of the triangle are acute angle means measure is less than 90 degree, it is called an acute angle triangle. If we look at this figure, angle A is 60, angle C is 70 and angle B is 50 degree. Okay, so all the three angles A, B and C is less than 90. This means this is an acute angled triangle, or simply we see acute triangle. The second one is right triangle. We know that what is a right angle? A 90-degree angle is called right angle. So what is a right triangle? If one of the angle of the triangle is right angle, means one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. Okay. Again, in acute angle, all the angles should be less than 90. In right triangle, one angle should be equal to 90 degree. Okay. And the last one is obtuse triangle. So if one of the angle of the triangle is obtuse angle means measure is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degree, is called an obtuse angled triangle. If we look at this figure, see one angle that is 120 degree is more than 90 and rest two that is 35 degree and 25 degree that is less than 90. This means one of the angle of this one triangle is obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this means this triangle is a obtuse angled triangle. Remember, just revise all the thing. Isosceles, two sides are equal. Obtuse triangle, one angle is more than 90 degree. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Right triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Acute triangle, all the angles are less than 90. And equilateral triangle, okay, means all the equiangular, here it's given that all the angles are equal. It's same your equilateral triangle. Okay. There are two different properties of triangle also. Okay, mainly we have two main properties. The first one is angle sum property. Angle sum property means sum of angles of all the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Either that is your scale triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, or obtuse triangle, acute triangle, or right angle triangle. If we add the if we add the angles of the triangle, that is always equal to 180 degree. Okay. The second property is the sum of the length of the two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third. Means if we add any two sides, that should be more than the third side. Let's take the example. If the sides given are 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. If we add the two, means 4 and 5 centimeter, that is 9. 4 and 7, 11. 5 plus 7, 12. Again, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is greater than the third side. Which side is left? 7 centimeter. 9 is greater than 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. Which side is left? 5 centimeter. So 11 is greater than 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. That is equal to 12 centimeter. It's again greater than 4 centimeter. This means length of two sides is always greater than the third side. So this means it form a triangle. And if we take the example and we take side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Add 4 plus 5, 9, which is less than the third side. Yeah. 4 plus 10, 14. It is greater than the third side, which side is left? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter, that is 15, which is again greater than 10 centimeter. But in the first case, which one? 5, 4 plus 5 equal to 9 centimeter, and which is less than the third side. This means these three sides will not form a triangle. I hope you understand all the concept. Thank